The question of whether a student under 16 can change their names or pronouns without parental permission came before a Saskatchewan judge today. It became an issue after the province invoked their rarely used notwithstanding clause to enact a law requiring teachers to ask parents first. CTV's Allison Bamford explains.
A heated debate that brought hundreds to the steps of the Saskatchewan Legislative Building last year is back in the hands of the court. A Regina LGBTQ2S+ organization is challenging a new provincial law that requires parental consent before students under 16 can change their name or pronouns at school. This week's hearing will help determine if the legal challenge against the Saskatchewan government will go ahead.
Every day we're in court here, the months that have passed, every day there are kids just trying to go to school in Saskatchewan and New Brunswick, across the country, in a safe, welcoming, inclusive manner.
Lawyers representing UR Pride told court that the law unjustifiably limits the rights of gender-diverse youth who may be outed or misgendered as a result of the bill. The Saskatchewan government continues to argue the case is moot after the law was passed using the notwithstanding clause last fall.
We want to protect those rights that parents have to be involved in their child's lives in important discussions about their children.
UR Pride is looking to amend its arguments to focus on a specific section of the charter that protects against cruel and unusual treatment. Advocacy groups are paying close attention to this case and one in New Brunswick that challenges a similar government policy.
Laws and policies should not violate charter rights of anyone, but especially young people and people from vulnerable communities.
UR Pride argues it's in the public's best interest for the court to see this challenge through. The hearing is expected to wrap up Thursday when the government lays out the brunt of its arguments. The judge is likely to reserve his decision for a later date. Allison Bamford, CTV News, Regina.